Hello everyone, welcome to Rasayan Academy. So guys, in this very short and crisp video, we are going to discuss about what are the new courses that I have launched on the Unacademy platform, and this video is completely for those who are interested in taking the Unacademy subscription and you are having a lot of doubt about it. Okay, so I'm going to inform you everything about what are the new courses that we are launching for the preparation of December 2020 CSIR NET exam. Okay, there are going to be a lot of batch courses, a lot of individual courses. What is the difference between two, that also we are going to discuss. So the major focus of this video is that what are the new batch courses, what are the starting date of batch course, and how are you going to be able to access the recording, even though these classes are going to be all live sessions. But yes, we are going to talk about recording as well, how to download the PDF, or be able to view the test series or the mock test. Okay, also what are the common frequently asked question about the subscriptions, okay, where you are getting confused a little bit, that also I'm going to answer. Okay, so let's begin with it, guys. First of all, let me quickly tell you that what are the benefits of a plus subscription. So yes, let's talk about it. That first of all, that classes that you are attending are live classes. Okay, that's the best thing that Unacademy is providing. It's providing a feel of the actual class with a very minimal amount. Okay, and at the comfort of your homes. Okay, so live classes which are going to run for 90 minutes to 120 minute. Okay, so in the plus subscription we are having the live classes for, let's say, 1.5 hour to 2 hour classes. Okay, so this is what you are getting in the, this is the most important thing, because you are having the live interaction. You can ask questions, you can get your questions can get answer, you can solve a lot of your doubts while studying. Okay, also let's say if you have missed any class, the recordings are available. The recordings are also available, and you can download the recordings so that you can save your net over there. You can download the recordings in the Unacademy app only. Okay, not in your gallery, but on the Unacademy app you can download the recording, so you can watch it again and again. And also let me tell you that the recordings are only going to be available till your plus subscription is there. Let's say, for example, if you have taken a 6-month plus subscription, okay, then it is going to be there for 6 months only. As soon as the plus subscription has ended, all the recordings you have saved and everything will be lost. Okay, but yes, till then I hope you will clear your exam, so you don't need them anymore. All right. Also, a lot of students have been asking me कि मैम written notes देते हैं आप लोग. तो basically guys, the notes that we are making, and especially I'm talking about myself, the class notes that I'm making, the class presentations that I'm making, okay, I guess that they are going to be really good enough for your preparation. You can download the PDF. How are you going to download that? I'm going to tell you in the next slide. Okay, you can download the PDF. Okay, and all of everything that I'm writing would be available to you. Just that would be your instant notes. Okay, you don't have to further make your notes. You just directly have to study from the book, and what you have to study, that also I'll tell you. Which section you have to study, that also I will tell you. No need to study the complete book. Then the next point is the test series. This is a very important thing, guys. See, what we are doing is, first of all, and in every particular course there is going to be a weekly quiz. Okay, we are having separate courses. Every particular course is going to have a weekly quiz. When the course ends, there is going to be a mega quiz. Mega quiz मतलब कि जितना भी हमने पढ़ा है उस quiz में, based on that. Okay, right. Now what are test series? Test series are mock tests. Okay, and they are available when your syllabus is almost over. Let's say if you are starting for the June 2020 exam, if you are preparing for June 2020 exam, the mock tests are going to start from the May month to June. 2 months there are going to be continuous mock tests. And also, let's say if you are joining after June, let's say you are joining in August, or let's say you are joining in July. when the new batch starts, then the previous mock test will be available to you. You will be able to give the mock test also. Okay, whenever you are joining, these will be available, and the upcoming mock test will also be available to you. Okay, now the biggest factor which I really respect Unacademy is the doubt clearing session. Okay, what do I mean by the doubt clearing session? That is, after every third class, let's say after every 3 classes, let's say we are talking about name reaction. So we have studied name reactions in 3 sessions. The fourth session is going to be a doubt clearing session. Okay, every fourth session is a doubt clearing session. So let's say we have done 3 lessons, then the fourth lesson is going to be doubt clearing. Okay, and then the seventh lesson is going to be doubt clearing, something like that. So every fourth lesson is a doubt clearing session, and I hope that it helps the students a lot. Also, see, for the 3 months in the beginning of any session, we are doing the syllabus completion. Okay, we are focusing on syllabus completion for the 3 months in the beginning. But after the syllabus is completed, the next 3 months are completely for revision. This is a huge thing that you are getting: revision plus MCQ practice. All right, because it's not that we are only teaching you, we are constantly making you remember those concepts by revision and MCQ practice. And recently I have started like 2 courses on organic and inorganic with all the new MCQs, all the new questions which you are not going to see in previous year questions or anywhere else. Okay, all of them are new MCQs. Also, last but not the least, that is the previous year question course. So we are running separate previous year question course, that we are solving all of the important previous year questions from 2011 to 2019. Till now we have done all of them from the June papers and from the December papers. And definitely after solving, if you are having any doubt, we are there for you. So all of these are the benefits of a Plus subscription, and there is so much to study that you will not be able to manage time how to study so much, right? So I was telling you how to download the PDF. Like, let's say this is one of the course that I'm talking about. This is a complete course on organic chemistry. You have already enrolled it very well. Now, how to download the PDF? Let's say we are talking about photochemical reactions. We have just completed our study on photochemical reactions part 2. So you are just going to click on this 3 dots over here and then download PDF. Download PDF. If you are doing with annotation, it's going to be whatever I have written. Okay, whatever I have scribbled on the PPT, that's also going to come along with it. Without annotations is basically plain text which I have added into the presentation. So yes, I would suggest you download with annotations. Okay, right? So guys, what is a batch course and what is an individual course? Now this is a huge thing that everyone is confused about. The batch course is basically a course which is having 2 to 3 educators. Okay, it's having 2 to 3 educators every batch course. And the best part about a batch course is that all the educators are focusing on different topics. Okay, which means that there is going to be no topic clash. All right, there is going to be no unit clash, or let's say, also the biggest thing is no time clash, right? Because if you have enrolled in one batch course, and if you want, lot of topics can be covered only in the batch course. Okay, so this is what the batch course is for the syllabus completion as well as complete study. तो एक batch course होता है for complete study, and when the study is done, we are also launching a batch course for complete revision and MCQ practice. Okay, now what are the individual courses? Let's say that I am teaching you something and you are not able to understand in the batch course. Let's say I'm studying you stereochemistry. Okay, I'm teaching you stereochemistry and you're not able to understand that. For that, we are launching individual courses. So if you are not able to understand any topic, then you can go on and watch the individual courses of a particular educator, and lots of educators are having different individual courses. My course is going to be on name reactions, and I'll just tell you in the next slide also, it's written what are my individual courses and what am I going to teach over there. I'll tell you the timing also. So this is the main difference between a batch course and an individual course. A batch course is for syllabus completion. Individual course asks for some specific topics that if you're not able to understand with some other educator, you can understand it with me. अब मेरा भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो you can search more educators, and there are a lot of educators on Unacademy, right? So let me just quickly tell you that for December 2020 preparation, this is going to be by batch course, CSI NET December 20 batch course with Nurul Huda sir, and I will be taking complete organic. Okay, so I'll be completing organic in the batch course as well as my individual course, as well as I will be completing two very important topics of inorganic, that is bioinorganic as well as complete organometallics, right? I will be completing organometallics along with the question practice. Okay, so this is what I will be taking in the batch course, complete organic. So I don't think I have to mention all the topics. You can go through the syllabus for complete organic, then bioinorganic and organometallics in this course. So what you have to do is, this course starts on 4th July. My lessons are going to start on 4th July. If you have already subscribed, don't forget to enroll over here, because the best thing is you are going to get timely notifications for all of the classes, right? And these are my individual courses. These are my individual courses where I am taking. Now this first course is on name reactions, reagents and heterocyclic chemistry. Okay, which means that I'm not going to cover these topics in the batch course. Batch course we are doing complete stereochemistry, the reaction mechanism, reactive intermediates, pericyclic reaction and a lot of stuff. Okay, spectroscopy and all that. Now in the separate course I have taken some topics which are very interrelatable, and if you are studying them together, it's going to be awesome. So name reactions, reagent and heterocyclic chemistry we are going to study together. Okay, and it's going to start from 23rd of July. Why have I kept it on 23rd of July? Why can't I start it in the 1st of July? Because to understand name reactions, you have to first understand reaction mechanism. Okay, so we are going to first understand reaction mechanism. We are going to first understand stereochemistry in reactions. Okay, that we are doing in the batch course, and after that we are going to start the name reaction and reagents. Okay, also after every unit which is completed, let's say we have just completed stereochemistry, there is going to be a practice class for stereochemistry from the batch course into this course. Now this is a separate practice course on organic chemistry. Here we are just having practice classes based on previous year questions as well as new MCQ questions. Okay, right, from the books, from all the important examples from the book and everything, right? And definitely it's going to run parallelly to your batch course for the practice. So these are my 3 courses which I have just launched for December 2020. Okay, and these are basically targeted for the 3 months, because after these 3 months we are going to do complete revision as well as MCQ practice. This is what we are going to do after these 3 courses. Now FAQs about subscription. So a lot of students are having a lot of confusion, and maybe a lot of you have already taken the subscription but you are not able to find out what to do. Now I have already told you what you have to do, how you have to enroll. Yes, don't forget to enroll in these batch courses. This is the sign for enrolling. These individual courses and batch course, do enroll. Now let me tell you something, that my batch course timing is going to be 5 p.m. Okay, and my individual course timing, which is this one, course on name reaction, the timing is going to be 9 a.m. in the morning. Okay, and also the practice course is going to be 9 a.m. in the morning on simultaneous alternate days, not on the same day definitely. Okay, and batch course is 5 p.m. Now let me tell you one very important thing, that guys, there are a lot of options of educator on Unacademy, but you can't follow all of them, you can't study from all of them. So I would suggest you follow 2 to 3 educators जिसका आपको content समझ में आता है, alright? Because if you are following a lot of educators, you can't study from everyone, right? It would be very confusing. So follow 2 to 3 educators, that would be all. Also about the subscription, that Yes, it is not a subscription per course. It is not a per course subscription. The subscription is mainly time based. It is a time based subscription. All right, which means if you want, you can subscribe for 1 month, you can subscribe for 3 months, 6 month, 12 month and 24 month. Okay, but as I suggest all of you कि guys, if you want to prepare, then कम से कम 6 महीने का time लेके आओ, because we need to guide you for 6 months. Because if you are coming for 3 months, that's of no use. Coming for 1 month is of no use at all, because if you are very seriously preparing for the December 2020, be with us for 6 months minimum. If you are preparing for June 2021, ऐसा कब होता है? when you are in your MSc. Okay, and let's say if you are in your MSc, you can take your 12-month subscription. If you are in your BSc and you have to learn a lot of stuff, then you can come for 24-month subscription as well. Option hai, if you want, you can take it. Otherwise, you can come for minimum 6 to 12 months. This is what I would suggest you, so that we can guide you properly and you can take maximum benefit of Unacademy. Okay, right. So these are the some things that I wanted to tell you. तो पर कोर्स सब्सक्रिप्शन नहीं है, इट्स टाइम बेस्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू दीज मंथ्स. एंड what are you going to get in this subscription? First of all, so you have to first of all take one CSIR subscription, CSIR UGC net subscription. This is what you have to select the category. First of all, you don't have to select the NTA UGC net. Okay, don't go for this, ये wrong हो जाएगा. You have to select the CSIR UGC net for the subscription, and then you can go on selecting your 6 month, 12 month, 24 month, whichever course you want. Also, there is one thing that recordings will be available till your subscription is there. Also, one CSIR subscription is going to give you access to all the educators. As I told you that there are a lot of educators, all the educators are available under just one subscription. You don't have to subscribe for each educator. If you are using my code, all the courses will be visible from all the educators, including aptitude, okay, under CSIR category, right? And everything would be available. You just have to enroll in all of the educator courses. अभी आप सोचोगे कि प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन ले लिया तो सब कुछ आपको नोटिफिकेशन आ जाएगा. नो, you have to enroll in all of the courses of all the particular educator that you want to study. ठीक है, so this is for a particular, you have to enroll in all of the courses that you want to study in, right? So what are the amounts of the subscription that I'm suggesting? Guys, Unacademy is providing you minimal amount for maximum education, because you are getting a lot of educators which are teaching you, who are teaching you for maximum. They're completing the whole syllabus if you want, and if you visit all of their profiles. Okay, right? So if you want to go for 6 months, it is going to be this amount, 9450. And after applying a code which is Jagriti S, okay, after applying this code, you are going to get 10% discount over here. Okay, you're just going to get a reduced amount that you have to pay. So you can select 6 month, 12 month, 24 month, anything, any plan you want us to be with. And also you are going to get a 10% off on using this code. Also, if you have watched a lot of my free classes, अगर आपने मेरे बहुत सारे free classes देखे हैं, which we call the special class on Unacademy, okay, you are going to gain a lot of credit points. You are going to earn a lot of credit points. So you can apply those credit points right over here. Let's say I have these many credit points, and you can apply these credit points along with this code, and you can get a huge discount. So for the 1 year subscription, you started with 1100, 550, and you are ending up with 9356 only. Okay, that is for 1 year, which means 2 sessions you are going to get in that, along with everything that I told you already. Okay, and also you can go with the EMIs. You can still divide your amount with EMI. So a lot of students have been asking me ki ma'am, we can take 1 month subscription for a trial and then we are going to go for 5 month subscription. Guys, ऐसा possible ही नहीं है, because we are having 1 month subscription, 3 month, 6 month and 12 month and 24 months. So 1 month and 5 months is not possible. Rather, what you can do is take your 6 month subscription and divide it into EMIs per month. Okay, so you can use any of these payment option and you can divide the EMIs, which are going to be no cost EMI, matlab no interest EMI. Alright, the payment is easy. You can do a payment from anywhere. All of these options are available. And guys, if you are having any doubt regarding the CSIR subscription, or let's say still if you are having any doubt, you can message me on Telegram, which is my Telegram group. It is Jagriti S, and the link for the Telegram group is going to be given in the description below. Also, you can message me on Unacademy app if you are already there, or you can comment below in the video also if you want to know anything more. And the link to my profile is also there in the description box, which is directly going to take you to my Unacademy profile. Okay, so guys, I hope that this video helped you, or at least gave you some clarity about how Unacademy works, and I hope that you are going to join me on the Plus soon, because a lot of stuff we are going to start from 4th of July. And yes, regular classes are started. Today also I'm having a session. Okay guys, so I hope that I helped you a little bit. I'll see you very soon. Bye everyone.